Hi, my name is Ngo, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with any other Nigerian that wants to live healthy. Our food is so delicious that it is difficult. True, it is very difficult for you to live healthy on our traditional foods, but there is hope. There are things we can do, and that's what this video is all about. Welcome to the kitchen, where we're going to prepare different kinds of meat. What you're going to learn is how to batch prepare meat and food, so that 1, you won't be tempted to grab the wrong things. 2, it will be readily available. 3, it would help you in saving time. It will be convenient, it will be time saving, and temptations will be thrown out of the window. So, this is beef. You will see how it's going to be organized. We are going to brine, that is barbecue. We are going to brine some, we are going to make pepper soup, we are going to, you can see catfish. This is liver. This is cow trotter, cow legs. This is part of cow head. This is chicken. Here, shaki, towel. This is called tripe. We are going to prepare pepper soup, cow leg. We are going to brine beef, chicken, fish, and make them in this quantity so that it's easily available. When you're hungry, you have something to eat. As a snack, as a meal. You pay it with your food. Remember, to eat healthy means to watch the proportion of carbohydrates versus proteins. The proteins, as we grow older, should be in higher quantity. As you want to train your tummy, as you want to live healthier, you need more muscles. Protein is essential. We are increasing the quantity of protein in our meals and reducing the quantity of carbohydrates. Your body still needs the carbs, but a little goes a long way with age. We prepare beef, prepare chicken and fish, and you can pair it with salads, and even when you eat your jollof rice, the quantity of the rice must be very little. There will be lots of veggies, not salad and mayonnaise, just veggies, and then lots of protein. If you are vegan, that's okay. There are vegan choices, but this video is for meat lovers. So if you're a Nigerian and you wonder, if I stop swallowing, you don't even need to stop swallowing. But make sure the soup is in equal quantity from the swallow, called portion control. But here, we are going to prepare them and make them available for on the go, each meal, and for your health and well-being. Let's start cooking. As you can see, this is what I use as my base for pepper soup. The tripe has been washed and parboiled so that we can wash off the sand. And this gives it the taste and the flavor that I like. We'll let it boil, and when it's almost done, we'll pour in the tripe to finish it up. For the pepper soup, we use spices, onions, chili, pepper soup spices, Nigerian pepper soup spices. Then the tripe will be poured in as soon as this base becomes ready. I use this for taste. It gives it the flavor and makes this one richer. Time for our seasoning. We'll start with the beef. Remember, when you season, you use spices in your country, spices in your area to make it easy for you. Please don't go importing spices. The ones in your area are good enough. I use salt, chili. Today I'm not using chili, I'm using curry. And thyme to make it taste good. Mix thoroughly to ensure even distribution of your spices. Make some no taste only curry and others no go get. Whatever you use, please don't overdo it. A little spice goes a long way. Sometimes they say little is already more than enough. Good, this is ready. Remember to add spices of your choice based on availability. Our beef is ready. Now it's time for the chicken. Just like the beef, we are going to add curry, salt, thyme, and chili if you want to. Today I'm not going to use chili. Now it's time for the chicken. We'll start with our salts and distribute evenly. We'll do the same here. Make sure there's salt in the chicken. We'll add our curry. We'll add our thyme. Do the same thing over here. Instead of adding chili, I'm going to add hot curry. Who doesn't like chili? I don't know what I'll do without habanero. One more thing, all-purpose seasoning. This is optional, remember? Use whatever you can get your hands on. No pressure. Do what you like best. and especially what you've got. I beg, not to stress yourself. Use what you've got. The chicken is ready, as you can see. I'll rinse out this tray for the fish. Food is ready. This smells good. Okay, now it's time for the fish. I need to spread them out so the seasoning can get to every part of the fish. The keto diet relies on more protein, low carbs. I don't do keto. I just live healthy. We'll start with the salt. Diets are frustrating because you can't sustain it long term. And when you have a healthy lifestyle, it's easy to maintain. Far easy. Fish doesn't need much, but there's nothing wrong with making it taste better than plain old fish. Okay, this is so good. Now it's time to flip them over so the seasoning can get to the other side and give it a good taste. You need to come to this kitchen. It's smelling like heaven. Have you been to heaven before? I don't think so. Me neither. But the pepper soup boiling behind me is calling my name, and I will show answer. Good. This is ready. I need to season this. Flipping. Good. We are done with the fish. I'll show you one trick right away. Since we are sending all this to the barbecue, here we call it brine. For fish, we take extra precaution. We don't want accidents, so we line them up in this grill to ensure they get flipped at the same time, they get browned at the same time without us losing any piece of fish. You see? It makes life easy. The idea is that when you want to eat more of protein, you batch prepare your protein in advance to avoid the temptation of grabbing the wrong thing when you're hungry, and it also saves time for you during preparation. When you batch cook, it frees up your time for other important things. For most families, preparing dinner or lunch is a nightmare. But when you know what you need and you do it in advance, You eliminate guesswork, which leads to weight gain. There will be no careless snacking because you already have food that you call snack. Things you can snack on midday, early morning, regardless of the time. As we load this fish, we get ready to go put it in the fire because the fire is already going. Yeah, it's already going. All we need to do is feed it. Feed the wolf, or feed the flames this time. And by the time this fish is ready, you stock it wherever you like. Preferably in the deep freezer, in a chest freezer, or a drawer freezer to keep it fresh whenever you need it. And remember that seafood contains lots of omega-3, omega-6, and sometimes omega-9 acids that are necessary for brain health. So it's time for fish. Like this, life becomes convenient.